So I was about 22 years old when I first heard this phrase spoken to me, and I remember being troubled and burdened and heavy. I just couldn't believe that someone would call me a minimalist. And if I could go back, I would just say to them, how dare you put me in a box? Who do you think you are? You think you could judge me like that? You don't know me. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be giving you an inside look at my minimalistic camera bag. So here we go. Starting with the bag, this is my roll top bag made by a company called Wandered. And I love this bag because it marries beauty and utility perfectly. And I just love the design, the material, it's water resistant. And I also love how they laid everything out. It's really smart. So you can access all of your gear, your camera equipment, your laptop with ease. And it's got a nice roll top design so you can put things like hoodies or books or your portable speaker without getting in the way of your other gear. Next, I got my Dell XPS 15-inch laptop. No, I don't use a Mac, but this thing is amazing. I've been using it for years. This laptop is super robust, extremely capable for all of my video editing, graphic design, photo editing, etc. It's got a beautiful design with a gorgeous infinity display, and it's my main workhorse. Now, along with the laptop, we got a charger that I could plug in if I'm traveling or at a coffee shop working. I also have a Seagate hard drive that has just enough room for me to do work on while I'm on the go. I also have a Microsoft portable mouse that I could just snap in and use while I'm editing. So this is my Sony a7R II. It's my main camera. I do all of my photo and video shooting on it. Along with that, I have my Rode VideoMic Pro that I could just plug into my camera when I need to do some running gun audio. I also have a Rode lavalier mic that I can use if I need another audio solution. Lastly, I got my Pelican case for my memory card so I don't run out of space while I'm shooting. Speaking of not running out, I also have a ton of Sony batteries because if you're a Sony user, you know that we run out of battery so fast, so I have tons of backup so I won't run out of juice while I'm on the go. Alright, so here are some other things I like to keep in my camera bag. If you're an iPhone user, you can't go anywhere without your charger, and so I like to keep that in one of my pouches, as well as my portable battery pack. Now, I love this thing because it not only has a USB port, but it also has an iPhone cable and a USB-C cable built into the housing, along with a plug that comes out of the housing to recharge the battery pack. Super convenient, super simple design, and I love it. Another essential I have in my camera bag is my headset. This thing is beautiful, it sounds amazing, and so I keep it in my bag and I whip it out every time I need to listen to some music or edit in private. Now, another thing I like to keep in my camera bag is a pack of mints, but not just any mints, these special Altoid mints. Now, I stumbled upon these at a gas station of all places, and when I tried them, they were phenomenal. They're not like normal Altoids that kind of fall apart in your mouth. I know, I have very strong opinions about mints, but this one is probably the best one I've ever had. So, all right, guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like, hit that subscribe button so we could keep doing this, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.